My first experience of sexual harassment was when I was 7 or 8.
It happened this year only.
I would be around in 3rd or 4th standard.
13 or 14.
It just happened recently. I was in class 11, just 16 years old. There's a servant who works in my house. He used to be very friendly with me, but वो friendly रहा नहीं. Then he started holding my hand, which was quite uncomfortable for me. He did very weird things, like which was quite uncomfortable for me.
My cousin and I, we were very young. We would be in 3rd and 4th standard. We were going towards the market, and we suddenly see this guy on the cycle, and we see that he's shaking something. And at that point of time, we thought it's a toy or something, and we just laughed over it. For a child of my age, a child who's in 3rd or 4th standard, to see something like that could have been very disturbing and very impactful.
मैं साइकिल कर रही थी अपनी एक छोटी सी दोस्त के साथ. There was this guy, वो साइकिल करते हुए आ रहा था. उसने मुझे बस रोका कि यार पैम्फलेट, क्या मुझे बता सकते हो कि ये क्या लिखा है? आप मुझे पढ़ के बता दो. मैंने बोला कि ठीक है, मैं बता देती हूँ. मैं पढ़ रही थी. It was like a pornography. I was feeling weird, but I was just telling him कि ये लिखा है. Okay, so I just left. मैं घर ही जा रही थी. वो फिर से मेरे पास आता है. आप बस मेरे को एक लास्ट वो बता दो. I was really scared. फिर मतलब मैंने जब उसे बता दिया, बोला आप 1 मिनट रुक तो जाइए. And he took out his penis. I was shocked and I just cycled away to my house.
It was around 7 p.m. and I took my dog out for a walk. There were 2 guys and they were peeing. And the moment they noticed that I'm coming, they shifted their back and showing their dick. And I was surprised and shocked, and I just ran back home and I told my parents about it. So all they said that रात हो गई, मत लेके जाना dogs को बाहर.
I was traveling with my dad to this Red Fort in a bus. This guy from my behind started touching me. His hands were all over my body, my breast, and I was like, what's happening? I saw his face. I was, I had this immature mind. I couldn't even think what to do. Yeah, I was coming back from a tuition. I was in class 9. I was standing with my back on. This guy came near me and then, he just pressed my chest and then he just ran away. And I was dumbstruck what to do. I came back home crying. My mom asked what happened. I just said I'm leaving my tuition, that's it.
मैं अपनी बहन के साथ मूवी देखने गई थी. And while we were watching, we were on the last row. Corner में there was this old man who started masturbating. We were quite freaked out. I was not feeling safe down in a theatre hall also. We got up from there and he followed us, and then he again showed his cock to us, and that was quite disturbing for us.
We face incidents of sexual harassment almost on daily basis. I had recently started traveling in the metro. As I was walking down the metro station, it was yet another overly crowded day and people were really close to each other. So this guy, he was this close to me and he said something in my ear in a very weird accent. कहाँ जा रही हो? हमें भी ले जाओ. I didn't know what to do. I was scared out of my wits. I just ran towards the women's compartment and I called up my friend and she told me, you honestly should have turned and said something to him, because if you don't, it encourages them.
Sector 29 नोएडा में ही I was sitting at the back of the rickshaw. वो बंदा मेरे बिल्कुल ऐसे साइड से गया and he pressed one of my breasts. और मैं literally चीखी थी और तब तक वो जा चुका था. मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाई.
It happened in IIT Kanpur. I went out with my friends just for a coffee around 2 a.m. because we were very tired after our performance. So when I went there, a guy, he pounced on me. He looked at me, मेरी coffee मेरे हाथ पे गिर गई and said, फूक दूँ. It was disgusting. There were so many people around. He had the courage to say all that. So it was very bad.
The mindset of people.
Everybody is at fault. The society is at fault. The system is at fault. We can't blame the men entirely for this, because even when we travel in the metro, aunties would look at us from top to bottom, and if you're wearing something fancy, they'd make us feel guilty about it.
It's the women of the society who don't teach their sons that.
Whoever is suffering, start speaking up. Don't let that person take you for granted.
If you cannot tell to everybody or go to the police station, tell your parents or tell your friends or whoever is close to you. अपना metro में कपड़े पूरे पहन के जाना या अपने रास्ते बदल देना, this will not do anything. These people don't realize जो भी तुम मजे में कर रहे हो, you're doing it just for fun, can be really distressing for the girl.
If we won't stand up for ourselves, nobody will.
हाय, दिस इज अनिकेत जायसवाल फ्रॉम ओल्ड डेली फिल्म्स. अगर आप हमारी और वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ पे क्लिक कीजिए, और अगर आप हमें सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हैं तो आप यहाँ क्लिक कीजिए. और आप हमें फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम और ट्विटर पे भी ढूंढ सकते हैं, तो ढूंढ लेना यार. और नीचे कमेंट जरूर कर देना यार. तुम लोग वीडियो देखते हो, कमेंट नहीं करते हो, हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता है. प्लीज़ कमेंट यार. ओके.